got the hiccups again.
Is this supposed to stretch anything?
Yes.
No! What if it snaps in half?
Dude, don't. These things cost $10.
I was hoping that would scare away your hiccups. It didn't work. She has a boyfriend.
Who? What? Connor found out about Brandon?
Yep. Her and him are not going out no more. Let's see if I can scare him away now. Oh!
She's showing me her practice. I'm traumatized.
It didn't work. This isn't work out though. Okay, Shannon, stand up on the chair. Just do it. This will cure your hiccups. It'll cure your hiccups. Stand up on the chair. I'll hold it to make sure it doesn't spin.
Just do it, would you?
Stand.
Standing, I'm on my feet, aren't I?
Stand.
My hiccups are gone.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
Really?
Yes.
Sit down.
Ha, they're gone. Take that, bitch. Take it. Take it.
Take what? Dude, I'm so happy now. Okay, we got that.
My armpits smell like Febreze.
Word?
Febreze air.
Okay.
Hiccups. Wasn't as bad as last time. I have a duct tape though. Oh my god.
Wow. I will fire this at you.